Hi guys, Manuel here from empowermentteam.org, and I am excited because finally this Traffic Secrets book by Russell Brunson is being released. It's being released today on the 17th. It's just turned 17th here in the UK, so it's about to be released. You know, it has been released over here in the UK, and it's probably soon in the States. If I was you, I would dive and get on this, because I've already read some of his books. I read this one, the first one I got, Expert Secrets, amazing book. I still refer to it every day. There's stuff in here that's it just teaches you what you need to know to be an expert marketer online. And then Copywriting Secrets, always refer to this when I'm writing my email copy and stuff like that. You know, and now this one, I'm definitely going to get a copy of this, and I advise you to do the same, because he's now going to give you 20 secrets on traffic. Now, as you know, if you're a marketer, traffic is the lifeblood of what you do online. Without traffic, you don't have a business. Yeah. And so many people struggle with traffic. So when a man like Russell Brunson is going to give you his secrets, you know, it's a must. You must get hold of it. You know, he's going to take you through. I mean, I was reading the introduction. I heard about the introduction, and it was saying how, you know, he's talking about how you can have marketing, how you can teach you traffic that lasts the distance, you know, because he's had certain things. He's had Google slaps, and he's had his YouTube channels closed, his Facebook channels shut down, but yet he's still in the game because he's learned the basics, and he learned from some of the best marketers, Dan Kennedy, the old school marketing, where these things last, you know, and he's going to give you those secrets in this book. You know, it's not going to be like, you know, marketing's changed. I mean, you might be good at marketing, and then the next day Facebook changes its algorithm and all your marketing just goes out the window. So you need to know some of the things to keep your business going in the 21st century, 22nd century. Just keep going and going. And this is what you're going to learn from some of this. So you can hear from my voice probably why I'm so excited. I'll tell you the dates. So the launch is the 17th, which is today. Then April the 6th is going to have a live launch. April the 9th is going to go social, so on the social media. And so if you do order it now, if you get in now and get it, it's completely for free. All you got to do is pay for the postage and package. It'll be $9.95 if you're in the US, and I think if you're over here or you're across the water, then it's going to be $14.95. But it's going to be worth it, guys. It's definitely going to be worth it. I'm already going to order my copy. The minute I get off this video, I'm doing it right now. You go over to this page. Once you click the link below this video, get over to this page, put your email address in there, so you're going to make sure you'll be told about all of these launches so you don't miss out. And even on these launches, he always gives out gems of information. He always does. You know, he was talking about the funnels, what you need in your funnels, how you attract the right types of people. He's already giving out these gems. So even if you don't get the book, you want to get some of these gems, get involved. Click on this link below. Go over to this page. Oh, and another bonus. He's going to give you the chance to interview him. You can have an interview and a podcast with Russell Brunson. You can use that in your marketing. Can you imagine how much traffic that will bring to you? Yeah, you can apply for an interview with him. You fill out a form and you get to interview Russell Brunson, you know, and bring that into your marketing. That alone is worth 50 times what the price of postage and package will be. So get involved. Click this link below. Go over to here. Put your email address in. Get the book, which is for free. All you got to do is pay for the postage and packaging, and you will definitely thank me for this. All right, then, guys. You know, and if you do, let me know if you're going to do it. Leave it in the comments box below. If you have any questions about traffic as well, just leave it in the comments. You know, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not already a subscriber, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of these bonuses. All right, guys, till next time, take care. Speak to you soon. Click the link.